Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vista's learning classes. I'm your Max tutor, Shruthi. I hope everyone remember our Vista's vision. That is, we are not only focusing on right to education, it is right to quality education. And our services are V-Learning, VSMS. V-Learning, well, it's an online platform where you can find many animated concepts. VSMS, Vista School Management System, where you can track the students' progress. And what is the website? It is www.vlearning.in. So at the same time, we'll be going live both in our website as well as our YouTube channel. And the messages which you chat in the website is all encrypted. That is, only I'll be knowing your messages. Now, let us come to our session. What have we dealt in the previous session? In the previous session, we have seen two important chapters and it was the revision part, right? Yes. So now we'll be solving, that is, we'll be just playing with the 4 options over there. That is multiple choice questions of 2 chapters. So that is fractions and angles. So I hope many students will love this, right? Because answer will already be given. You have to just take the 4 options. That is, among 4 options, you have to just take one among them. Now, let us look up for the first question. The very first question is, so now 1 by 12. Of a year is, so 1 by 12. So how do you read it as? So 1 divided by 12. So this is very, very important. So first you have to check whether it is in the fraction format. So what is the meaning of fraction? Numerator and denominator. So numerator means the top portion, denominator means the bottom portion. So here we are speaking among, that is, out of the whole thing, only one part we are speaking. So that is, what is the whole thing? It is 12 months, right? Among that, what are we speaking? It is 1 month, right? So what is the meaning? Out of 12 months, we are speaking only 1 month. That is, we are considering only 1 month. So that is nothing but, obviously, it is 1 month. What if it was 6 by 12? Yes, among 12 months, that is, in a year, we are speaking, that is, we are considering only 6 months. Then you would have choose the option 2 over there. So what is the option? Now, so it is option A. So let me take my pen. So it is option A. I hope you are clear with this, right? Here you might get time concept also. So out of 60 minutes, you have to choose seconds. So that type fractions also you might get. Now, let us come to the second question. The second question is reciprocal of 1 3 by 7 is. So in the fractions chapter, we have learned 3 types of fractions. What is that? Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, right? So proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction, numerator will be greater. So I hope you are clear with this. How about the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is one complete whole number and the next is proper fraction. So it is the combination of both. So here, which type of fraction is this? So this is mixed fraction. So now reciprocal. So this word we had learned in the previous session, right? If you want in detail, please go back to the previous session. But hold on, not now, okay? After the session, you can just have a look. Now, what is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal is the numerator comes to the denominator goes to the numerator. So before doing this mixed fraction, first you have to convert. So how do I convert? So it is 1 3 by 7. So what is the operation I have to put? It is into operation and it is plus. So 7 into 1. So that gives me 7 plus. You have to take the next one, 7 plus 3. So what is 7 plus 3? It is 10 by 7. Many students will do the mistake over here. They'll write it the answer as 10 by 7. Suppose if you get wrong, get for 1 mark or 2 mark. No, you have to do the reciprocal. What is the meaning of reciprocal? So 10 by 7 becomes 7 by 10. It is easy, right? So now 7 by 10 is the option. So I hope you are clear with the explanation being given. Now the third question. The third question is 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. So what is the meaning? So 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. Many students, while we correcting papers, we get this. So suppose 1 by 3, they'll sit and divide. No need to sit and divide. Since it is into operation, you can multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Or if it is in the crisscross format, if it is cancelling the same table, then you can cancel that also. We had did this one, right? So now how about this one? So 1 into 1 will give me 1 divided by 3 4s are 12. So what is your answer? 1 by 12. So it is option A. I hope you are clear with this, right? Now how about the next one? Simplest form of 6 by 8. Now in the previous session we have learned two important words for this. So what was it? Simplest form can also be called as lowest form. So now what is the other name? So it is also called as reducible form. So in the 1 mark question or 2 marks question, you might get this. So you might get simplest form, you might get lowest form, or you might get reducible form also. So what is the simplest form of 6 by 8? So as soon as you get these three words, first thing you have to check whether numerator and denominator are going in the same table. So 6 and 8, are they coming in the same table? Yes, it is 2, right? So 2 how many is are? 2 3s are, 2 4s are. So what is your answer? It is 3 by 4. So it is option A. I hope you are clear with this. So now the next question. So your fifth question is 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2. Ma'am, it is looking so clumsy. Well, it is very easy. I'll make it easy for you. So now 1 divided by, keep it as it is. First convert the mixed fraction to the normal improper fraction. So that is nothing but 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, it is 5. So it is 5 divided by whatever the denominator is there, put the same denominator. So it is 2. Now many students will do this. Okay, 1 5s are 5 divided by 2. No, but you have to have a look deeply. Here divided by operation is there. So what if it becomes in the next step? It is into operation with the reciprocal. We had done n number of problems regarding this, right? So now whenever divided by operation is there, in the next step it comes as into with the reciprocal. So into, what is the reciprocal of 5 by 2? It is 2 by 5. So 1 into 2 will give me 2 divided by nothing is there means it is 1. Many students will consider this as 0. No, it is divided by 1. So 1 into 5 will give me 5. So which is your option? It is 2 by 5. So now till now we have discussed the MCQ problems of fraction chapter. Now we'll be moving to the angles chapter, which is a practical example. So now what kind of angle is made by the hands at 10 o'clock? So in the previous session we had learned this one, right? That is types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. So all this we had discussed and we had solved problems also regarding this based on the clock example, right? Now here they are asking regarding 10 o'clock. Suppose if it is 10 o'clock, just put an approximate. How does this look like? Well, if it is 10 o'clock, so it is 12, 6, 9 and here 3. So if it is 10 o'clock, it might look like this, right? So let me take different color so that it will be very useful for you. So now it might look this way. I hope my pen is not working. Okay. So now it might look this way. So what is the meaning? Yes, this is somewhere related to your protractor, right? So protractor is one instrument. You have to use this one. So which is that? So obviously this is less than 90 degree. What if it is exactly 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock is exactly 90 degrees. So that becomes right angle. I hope you remember the explanations for all the types of angle. So what if it is less than 90 degree? It is nothing but acute angle. So which is the option? It is option A. So how about the next 7th question? So now the angles we can see in the English alphabet H's. So this is one of the very practical example, right? So suppose if you write H. So now which is the angle you see over here? Obviously if you just measure with the protractor, this is nothing but 90 degree. So now any students will tell this is a very basic thing. So what is the answer? It is right angle. So what exactly 90 degree? It is right angle. Less than 90 degree, it is acute angle. More than 90, less than 180, it is obtuse angle. This you have to remember. So now, how about the next question? So which of the following is an obtuse angle? So just now we have discussed more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So that is nothing but obtuse angle. Now in the options you have to check 85 degree, no, it is less than 90 degree, it becomes acute angle. How about 90 degree? 90 degree, it is exactly right angle, right? Just now we had seen the alphabet H example. How about 95? Yes. So it is more than 90 degree. So this is option C answer for this question. How about the next question? The angle measure of the clock when they make an angle which is more than right angle. So here you have to check the timings and say which is exactly right angle. So just now we had discussed that is 9 o'clock is nothing but right angle. How about the reverse? So that is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock is also right angle, right? So now let us read the question once again. The measure of the clock when they make an angle which is more than right angle. So here you have to see more than right angle, which is that is above 90 degree. You have to check. Now let us check for 3 p.m. 3 p.m. no, it is right angle. How about 11 p.m. 11 p.m. 10 o'clock 11 o'clock is all acute angle, right? So how does this look like? So it looks like this 11 o'clock. This is obviously acute angle. How about the next one? 5 p.m. So 5 p.m. let me just take. So now it is the bigger hand or the bigger needle is at 12 o'clock and the hour hand is at exactly 5 o'clock. So this is nothing but obtuse angle. So when you just measure, keep the protractor and measure, this is obtuse angle. So obviously 3 o'clock 90 degree, it is slightly moving more than 90 degree. So that is obtuse angle. So which is that? Option C. So how about the next question? So your next question and the last question for the session is, which of the following measures is not a right angle? So right angle means exactly 90 degree, not a right angle. So many students will miss this word. As soon as they see the right angle word, they'll just opt for the options. No, make sure you read the question correctly. Now 2 into 45 degrees. So well, when you just multiply 2 into 45 degree, that gives me exactly 90 degree, right? So now how about 90 degree? Yes. So that is also 90 degree is nothing but right angle. So now 2 into 90 degrees. So when you just multiply 2 into 90 degrees, so 0, 2 9s are 18. So this is nothing but 180 degree, which is not a right angle. So which is your option? It is option C. So till now what have we discussed? So till now we have seen the 2 chapters revision and also MCQ problems we have solved, right? So now we have solved fractions and angles chapter. In the next session, we'll be solving the next 2 chapters. What is that? For that, you have to stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon over there to get the live schedule updates. And you can catch us in our Facebook page as well as on Instagram page. For that, you have to click the description below over there. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class with one more interesting chapter of revision. Take care. Bye-bye.